How to fix TikTok likes not showing properly. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to fix TikTok likes not showing properly. So, let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. So, if your TikTok app is still not updated, simply open your App Store or your Google Play Store and search for TikTok and make sure to click on the update button if it is available. Once you have updated TikTok, simply open it and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. So, whenever your likes on TikTok is not showing properly, there might be a problem when it comes to privating your account. So make sure that your account is not on private so that many people can reach out to your video and like your video. So to do that, simply click on the three lines found on the upper right corner and then click on Settings and Privacy. And then once you're in settings and privacy, go to privacy right here and make sure to turn off the private account option by clicking on the toggle button on the rightmost part. So to indicate that the private button has been turned off, this button or toggle button will show gray and not green. So, whenever you unprivate your account, this means that all of your posts or your videos will be shown to the public, and so many will reach out or like your video. And then, let's say, for example, that this um, problem still exists even though you unprivate your account. What you're going to do now is to um, report a problem by clicking on the three lines once again and go to settings and privacy and scroll down and look for report a problem right here. So once you click on report a problem, simply wait for it to load and then click on the compose button right here on the upper right corner. And then once you click on that compose button, what you're going to do is to type in your problem and then you should wait for TikTok to reply to your concern. And then there is actually um, the last step or way that I would suggest, which is logging out your account. So to log out your account, click on the three lines once again, and then click on settings and privacy, and then go to the bottom of the page and click on log out right here, and then simply log in once again with your account. So that's it. That's how you can fix TikTok likes not showing properly. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.